Your bank account stays in survival mode. You ever feel like money just disappears? Where did it go this time? Why does the end of the month hurt? How many subscriptions are you even paying for? When did everything get so expensive? Here is something wild. The average person loses $2,300 a year. That is money leaking out on stuff they forgot. Old apps they never use. Services they signed up for once. Bills that went up without warning. That is not budgeting. That is bleeding. Life Admin Finance Tracker changes everything. It is free on the App Store right now. You add every bill in one place. Every subscription shows up in a list. It reminds you before things charge. You see exactly where your money goes. Nothing hides from you anymore. No more paper notes stuffed in drawers. No more scribbled reminders you lose anyway. No more panic at the end of the month. Just your phone and total clarity. It feels like finally breathing again. Make sure to subscribe now. Drop a like if this helped you. Comment below what you overpay for. Your money deserves a system that works. Life Admin is that system. Download it today. To do it.